Excuse me?
Excuse you. That wasn't the plan. You were only meant to act as me for few weeks, not take my place in his life forever.
I am not taking your place. You're getting married to him today, are you not?
But he calls your name often. He finds it difficult these days to even confess his love for me. No, how do you explain it? Why does he have to battle with his mind before saying that he doesn't love you? Why?
I'm speechless.
Listen to me. I won't warn you again. After today, I am going to be the official queen of an Inri kingdom. And I will not hesitate to crush you to powder if I smell you anywhere around my man. Do not say I did not warn you.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.